Hey everyone, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Just wanted to share the next component in our build of this new series. So this one I'm going to put in as the 1 terabyte Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM drive. It comes as a bare drive, which just means that it doesn't have any cables or anything like that, no software or anything. And so just to take a peek at this. So this here is the 1 terabyte Barracuda Seagate drive. Runs 7200 RPMs, which is great for today's computers as far as storage space. It will be able to keep up for most things. It's not going to be our boot drive, so keep that in mind, that this is too slow for a boot drive in today's, in today's technology. It's just not fast enough to be the boot drive. If it were to be the boot drive, the system would boot a lot slower than what we're going to have it running at. So I just wanted to share the storage that we're going to be using on this next build. It's just a 1 terabyte SATA hard drive, 7200 RPMs. Should do great for what we're looking for storing games and things like that on the system. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our content, make sure you hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel to keep up to date, and as always, leave a comment down below letting me know any questions that you have about this product or any questions for myself or the channel, and we will answer those questions. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a great day. Bye for now.